guys, it's James here, and today we're going to be playing Will You Press the Button. How this game works is that there is something good but something bad with it. Like, for example, you can solve any problem that benefit humanity, but you are blamed for causing the problem in the first place. But you can save the world. That's a good deal. Good. Alright. So 60% did press the button, 40 did not. You get to rule any country in the world for the rest of your life, but your people hate you. Well, that's not a good deal. You become the most successful person in all aspects, beloved and recognized by all. But you will find out the exact date you will die. Alright, that's a good idea. That's fine. I don't know why people will not. Ugh. Unlimited eggs, but you live without a basic. If you don't know, he's a YouTuber. Alright. Wow, people are hating him. You can grow a mustache that every woman will find attractive, but it is made of your public hair. What? Oh, I think public? What? Typo, probably. Alright. I don't even know what that means. You become a human calculator and you can calculate anything inside your head, but you lose the ability to read and write. That's fine, I hate doing both of them. Oh wow. You could have tickets to your dream concert, but you have to show up naked and very hairy. Nope. Not happening. See, people understand. Oh, why so much ads? No. You have the ability to walk through walls, but successfully doing so is proportional to how fast you are moving. Higher speed equals higher success rate, but no guarantees. That's okay. That's pretty good. Yeah. Ooh, you can read everyone's mind, but every time you meet someone new, you read his worst secret. What? Sexual secret fetish. I don't know what that means. I don't know what that means. Oh wow, I'm hated.
It's the year-end.
The stupid ads.
On a new Fiat 500X, the 2016
Yeah,
Fiat
skip.
500X.
You become an all-powerful human, able to manipulate matter, energy, time, and space. That's like being God. But, I mean, you also gain immense knowledge and understanding of the universe and immortality. But your new powers leave you depressed and pathetic, especially towards the human race. You will eventually be hated by society for not helping enough. So it's like being a horrible god. Nah. Alright guys, this is going to be the last one after this ad. Alright, last one. No! Close. You will be able to be invisible, but the cost will be $1,100 per hour. Well, you can just turn invisible and steal money. See, that's a good deal, because become invisible and rob a bank. Press.
Hi guys, Today,
Really, Emma?
we are doing...
Sorry, guys, that's my annoying sister. I don't know what she's doing. Anyways, that's going to wrap up this vid. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll probably do a part 2 later or tomorrow. See ya!